So those of you who come into my DM and be attacking me because I made comments about Kennedy Agyapong, please, I am not NPP. I'm not even a delegate in NPP. I am NDC, and everybody knows it, okay? But anything that concerns Ghana's leadership, I am very much interested as a patriotic Ghanaian, all right? And if NPP makes a bad choice, it will later have a major effect on our country. If they make a good choice, it will also impact positively on our country. And for someone like Kennedy Agyapong to become a leader of NPP, and maybe the impossible can be possible, is politics, maybe he becomes the president of Ghana, that is really going to have a very big negative impact on our country. Kennedy Agyapong, you look at him, the aura of leadership is not even around him. The aura of presidency is not around him. We've known him. Some of you don't know him. Okay, people have been talking about him and they say he's a businessman, he has not done anything. He hasn't done anything. Let me tell you. We've known Kennedy Agyapong for many years now. The Kennedy I know is not diplomatic. The Kennedy I know is not intelligent enough. The Kennedy I know is too disrespectful. He doesn't respect humanity. Kennedy attacked his own predecessor, President Kufuor. He attacked him, he insulted him after all that Kufuor did for him. Kennedy attacked President Mills and later he was arrested. A loudmouth, a loose talker cannot be a president. Someone who was just going about fighting with young celebrities like Tracy Boateng, Ifya Schwarzenegger, and some of them, you know, someone who sits on a telly and insult a woman and say Nichamun Siosio, excuse my language, Nichamun Siosio. Such a person is not even supposed to have a dream to become a leader of a political party in this country. Okay, but some of you have been misled. I'm telling you the truth. We've known this man for many years. Kennedy is not a piece to become a president of this country. No. And if NPP makes the mistake and bring Kennedy Agyapong, the shame that he will carry in 2028, it will marvel you. Because this man has so much negativity around him. He carries negative energy. Anywhere he finds himself, there is chaos. And we don't want any chaos in this country. So NPP, let me tell you, especially the supporters of Bawumia, you can never win this presidential primaries easily because every presidential candidate on the ticket is targeting Bawumia. They want to bring him down. Brian is targeting Bawumia. Educhum is targeting Bawumia. Kennedy Agyapong is targeting him. Kwabena Agyapong is targeting him. So Bawumia himself has become a target. He is in the net and you guys need to help him. Go down there. Go and look for the delegates and talk to them. Campaign. Tell them the reason why Bawumia must lead the NPP or be the next flag bearer or retain the flag bearer position in NPP. And stop insulting people on Facebook. Attacking John Mahama will not make Bawumia the next flag bearer of NPP. No. Attacking anybody it will not bring you any fruits or any good results. Forget about Mahama, forget about NDC, and focus and find more votes. Locate more votes for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Okay? Else you'll be taken by surprise. Because Kennedy Agyapong is a loudmouth and a big liar. And we say Bawumia is a liar, but Kennedy Agyapong is the loudest liar. So if you people make a mistake, he will use his lies, his cunning strategy to win people's heart against Kennedy Bawumia. So please, NPP, do your homework well. Such a character can never lead this country. 2028, NDC, we are bringing a strong force. So 2028, make sure you don't bring such a person who sits on the telly and point figures at journalists and say, this one, when you catch him around my premises, beat him, and then start showing his picture and for people to go and murder him at the end of the day. Come on. Man, please be very careful because if you really want to be a good opposition, it is definitely not Kennedy Agyapong.
kaklana or de bano. Yeah, Mrs. So strong, Papa, we are one level.
The current executive, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Bawumia Samoa, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
Young fire by my DMB. Our Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, some people imagine and not just all qualified. But among them, no, the most qualified one now met my edge will be as a young command. Not that you snap so that we get everything that we want. Hey, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. I didn't make us Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Why Vice President Emma Nanado Danko Akufuado? Obia who adwuma papa yi o boy. Sabi ene wutimi da with them. Na ya send you sika wa brochire mreko a onko bank. Who with them worry ni health insurance. Ni nyina ya papa yi nsan no adwuma. Enti sabi wanya president imponi na oya vice president adwuma wa bodie. Na ya man mandate say won be lead Ghana. Na wanya ya president. Wutimi hu say eno ma papa pa be free mo ya dai. Aba. Enti na eti wo bia say on the January ya kwapus na. Udani pepa no kra na. Aya train no. So oje na se o tunu straight a train no. So udani no so butu no train. Nti no ye nyina ya nkoma number 3 no. Ma eji obi ase number 3. One no betimi aboa MPP. One no betimi aboa Ghana. Ama Ghana ya fa ya tuma pafra. Nti number 3 na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Running mate. It's you see abasu ba ne meja paye. Wakobako anye ye. Enu just say yebedi sano. But the force and as a Bonica said, where determination exists, failure can never dismantle the flag of success. And the flag of success is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The flag of success is number 3 on the ballot. The flag of success is our former vice president. The flag of success is our former running mate to the Danko Akufuado. The flag of success is our next president of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It's every delegate, I will get the bone off. And Buru East, region had the idea, she said, say, and ya dear bedding your mother, Yedim. Bosha Oba, Buru East, if I swear I benya. You say other regions in now, so Benya so fast. Buru East for the Agyapong, Kakari get the bone off. And so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Yamano, 99% of the votes. It's come 31st January 2026. MPP delegates, I work with what you call Magana, Amuti Kenyano, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and I Yadene Echo, number 3 on the ballot. What the number 1 Botra, number 2 Botra, if you want number 3, now the team war, now they are going to Muti Yabubano, and more a year in Rebel or so on what you did. I say, Yatiden, I say, I have before, I am Tokwan Yakoya.
We MPP delegate, see a video way, any asmak in Japan can any ye, Nakotunyan Saba, because Obia or say, Ngofubi and Lusu or Musitia, or better political party to din abro, Ediabo MPP abroad de Sanipano, or the NDC in any bonsam, Eyepe, Tinsmak in Japan, Edituja.
The current executive, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Bawumia Samoa, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
Ebusuya say what Asmak in Japan de Tuja, or say the MPP national executives are more nominal. Say a co-election, normal Lusu, including Bena, or no as Kennedy Japan, the better political party. Na party ni dino or better din abro. It's answer the boy MPP abro. Delegates now person to Abama Bay flag bearer no. That delegates now to Abba say national executives no more nominal. So mupo, so mumpio. We see a man for the war pound mainty and a man 20 or Nintino. Who got a political party at 2 din abro. Naturally, say, no, on MPP party no, on Ghana share no home. You only think about your stomach and what will favor you. And such a person no, cannot be a leader of the new patriotic party. Yempe obia or ye person minkum nyaye nyaatwom. Our person bibia ya ba no. Tell no and find one and yet you no pedia. Bibia nye no. That kind of person can never and will never lead the new patriotic party. And Mr. Abro party, wait na start at our Abro party because there is no way all those people are going to lose. Therefore, you are not going to be elected as the presidential candidate for the MPP. So you better start planning on how to form that your new political party abetu din abro no, and it will be dead on arrival like the useless party now Alanka Achate no. It's going to be dead on arrival. The party in the useless party UP, useless party and Alanka Achate, and no then be a bro party. Also then going to be useless. They can't know. Why?